beautiful people, how are you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's.Tweetie. So today I'm making dinner for my family, and some people see cooking as just another chore, but in this house dinner time is a little more than that. After a long day of work, school runs, emails, and life in general, this kitchen becomes my quiet space. No meetings, no noise, just me, the stove, and the thought of feeding the people I love. Tonight's menu is simple, but in this house, simple still means love. While I'm chopping and stirring, the girls are probably somewhere in the house arguing over toys and running around. And my husband is asking what's for dinner, even though the smell already answered that question. Being a mom means your day never really stops, but somehow making dinner feels like pressing pause for a moment. It's where stories get told, where we talk about school, work, and random things that happened during the day. And honestly, sometimes the best conversations happen over a plate of food. Cooking didn't always come easy to me now, but over the time, I realized it's not about making perfect meals. It's about creating a moment for your family to gather. Because one day the kids will grow up and these little dinners at the table will become memories. So yes, it's just dinner, but it's also laughter, chaos, love, and togetherness. And in this house, that's the recipe we follow every night. So, if you're watching this while cooking for your own family, just know you're not alone. Dinner might look simple, but the love behind it is everything. Alright guys, I'll just leave you to watch, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.